Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing how to make a character which is like really pretty, and it's all easy, like any steps you can use. So and this VIP you can friend me here, but so we might be going to be using that later. So let's begin. So yep, we're gonna log into that account so we can like start that like account. So in that account, by the way, I'm not going to be using that account because I don't want to look at that. Because that's the thing I really hate about. So we logged out, and then and now I'm going to show you how to make a character. Yeah, you go to this button called Play Now, and then you either choose a boy or a girl, and here she is. Probably going to choose this. Yeah, color. And the way we're not making an account. We're not making the account. I'm teaching you how to make. And the girl, watch this. So nose type. This nose is like what people are using, and the mouth. It's probably this mouth. So swap to another color. I kind of like, and you can choose to magenta. And no, it's like yellow or something. But I like this glossy color. So I'm going to change the color. Let's choose minimum. It could be that or this color. You can choose anyone. I'm probably going to choose this. I quite like this one because it's like peach, and the skin is like, it looks like having a nose, and the eyes, and I'm not sure about this. I used to go with this, but to be creepy. It's not that creepy. You can use it to get the wire eyes by using an app, but I don't know. Or this, and I'm not sure about this. I quite like the middle eyes. Because it's pretty, and you can change the color. Like this color, it's cute. Like it's like teal, or I don't know. The color is like maybe comment down below what's the color. So I don't know. Next up is hair, and this is quite cool, but I don't know. For this ponytail, this hair, you can change any color. There's like this, like a bit like reddish, or you can choose either, I don't know. You can choose the color. It's either your choice. So the color, I like this hair the most, and I'm gonna choose the blonde color. And this looks like a Barbie or something. It looks like somebody bleached their hair or something, but I'm not trying. Next up, shirts. Whatever shirt you choose, you can. And there's this, it's like the evil, and there's a lot of colors, there's a lot of steps. And this is the bunny one. And then the outline of the bunny, you can keep it blank, which is super cool. And this you can have no designs. This is plain, but I hate it when it don't have plain colors. And this is cute. And let's choose an original color. That bunny is so cute. Or any shorts. This is from my Australian account that I made, like a Australian account. And if you haven't seen that video, it's still uploaded on the channel. I'm not really gonna put in links down below because it's kind of. I think I'm gonna be done to put that. So, and this tail, whatever. You can choose the flower, but I'm actually gonna keep it because why not? And shoes. I like this because this shoes is comfortable. You can change from orange to like this purplish color, or you can blank like this. Wait, this is another shade of purple. Oh yeah, like this. This a color like a grape. I'll choose white. Oh, that's pretty. So guys, this character's pretty. And even using old starter clothing, which is super cool. And we're going to be typing, and this girl looks like the one from the video. I don't think we're going to be making an account because we don't have time for the video. I just want to show you a video quickly. And wait a second. And I'm going to do some how to make a pretty girl on MSP. So here's a video we're gonna be watching to see, but it's so cool. So this video was made like 4 years ago, like December 5th, 2014. And the steps is how to make a starter clothing. And they have the old clothing like from the past. So she is making an account. And yeah, this compared from this right here to this. So this is 2014 and this is 2018. Yeah, 4 years, like I said. And so you can use steps how to make a pretty boy if you would like. And then yeah. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click the bell, and then comment down below for a video request. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Toodles!